for today's video, we're gonna learn about division of fractions. So the first step in division of fraction, you just have to copy the first fraction, 3/4, then reciprocate the second fraction. So when we say reciprocate, you have to put the denominator on the numerator, then the numerator on the denominator, then change the sign, division to multiplication. Now we can apply what we've learned with multiplication of fraction. So you have to multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 1 is 4. Then lowest term, or 12 divided by 4 is 3, whole number. Final answer is 3. Let's try another example. 3/4 divided by 1/2. So copy the first fraction, reciprocate the second fraction, so 2/1, and then let's change it to multiplication. 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 1 is 4, or 1 and 2/4, or 1 and 1/2. So this is the lowest term and the final answer. Let's try another example. 3/2 divided by 1/2 equals, copy the first fraction, reciprocate the second fraction, 2/1, then change it to multiplication. 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 1 is 2, or 3. So this is the final answer. Let's try another example. We have 4/3 divided by 3/2. So both are improper fraction, but regardless, we still use the same method. So copy the first fraction, 4/3, reciprocate the second fraction, 2/3, change it to multiplication, then multiply. 4 times 2 is 8, 3 times 3 is 9. So this is the final answer. Let's try another example. We have 1 and 2/3 times 1, divide 1/4. So let's convert this to improper fraction first. So 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2, 5/3 divided by 1/4. Then let's copy 5/3 times 4/1. So the final answer is 20/3, or 6 and 2/3. Okay, so let's have another example. 1 and 1/2 divided by 4/3. Convert to improper fraction, 3/2. I hope you can do this faster because it's easier. Oops, sorry. Let's reciprocate the second fraction, 3/4, then multiply. So 9/8, or 1 and 1/8. Then last example, let's do it faster. 1 and 1/4 divided by 1 and 2/3. Convert both with improper fractions. So 5/4 divided by 5/3. Then copy 5/4 times 3/5. 15/20, or 3/4.